What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Danny. We're here in Miami. We've had some crazy wildfires lately, and it's been pretty dry this year, pretty crazy. Decided to just let's go for a drive and see what's going on. It's finally coming down pretty hard, so I'm gonna drive to the, kind of like the edge of the Everglades to see if we can see some of the fires and see if this water is affecting it at all. Crazy. It's 8:21 at night. And you can still see how much light there is out there still. We're gonna head over there now. Head that way to the glades to see if we can see some of that fire. Looks like we're not gonna be able to make it. Looks like Chrome is closed off, guys. Wow. I am super surprised. I guess we're gonna have to turn back, or maybe see if we can find another side road. Wow, guys, I wish I would have been filming, but it looks like the storm is literally like right here. Just saw lightning land. Oh crap, I guess you can see kind of the smoke towards the end of this road. Let's see if something comes. Could catch a little bit of a lightning through the storm. It's been a while. Supposedly this is the exact reason why these fires got started, because of the lightning hitting out there, sparking up stuff. But you never know. It's Miami. Anything's possible here. This is usually the canal road that we can go. Let me see if I could get down this road a little bit. Pretty crazy storm. Problem is that we need that downpour to stay for as long as it can, so it can wet all that marsh out there. Let's see, can we go this way? Oh, that's a big one. We can see anything down this canal here. Try not to get the camera wet, if possible. Yeah, it's gonna be too hard to see anything. You can definitely smell it. You can definitely smell the fires. And I think it's smoking back there too, which is pretty crazy. I wish we could see it. I'm gonna drive down a little more by the farms, by Kendall, and see if we can get a better view. looks like they opened everything back up. You know, the fires for the most part look like they're under control. So I'm gonna drive around and just get some clips and see how much stuff got burnt. It is insanely hot. The truck, I've been driving for like what, 15-20 minutes down Tamiami Trail, and the temperature's still marking 100 degrees on my truck. So it's frying out there. It's amazing. So let's see. I'm gonna drive around and see if I could capture some of these burnt sawgrass out here for you guys. But I crossed over the dike here, and just wanted to give you guys a better observation of how close this thing got to the roadway. I'd say maybe like, I don't know, 30 feet separating this roadway from this this burn here. It's crazy. I'm gonna drive down a little more and see if we could get another. This is a smaller area that got burnt. On the way over here, there was one just up ahead. I'm gonna head that way and see if we can film that as well. Can't stop on here, but you guys can get a good idea of how crazy this fire, one of these fires was. Sick. Got some people going out on the airboats. I brought the mountain bike, so I'm gonna jump on that. I'm gonna park the truck around here and get on the mountain bike for a little bit. See if we can film some stuff. Dang. I didn't know these guys were cannibals. It looks like he's eating his homie. That's brutal. Hey, buddy. What you trying to do, man? Well, forgot to bring my camera mount, so I have to hold this thing as best as I can. But we're on one of the levees for Tamiami Trail, heading back towards the Everglades. Fire over there, back. Looks like something happened here because they have this place closed, and then they have a bunch of fire people here as well. Check this guy out, dude. How big is this guy? Oh, he's gonna bounce. Look at the size of that guy. Yeah. Not trying to have you jump on me, buddy. They're like all over this fence. I guess they're like the heat or something. That's crazy, guys. Look. What's going on, guys? We're back. It's day 3, trying to check out these fires. And I came out on the mountain bike to see if we could get a better view. They finally opened up the pathway here by Tamiami Trail. Since we like to go shooting and all this stuff, I think it's really important to let everybody know that Everglades is open and they're functioning like normal. Thank God they didn't get any damage from the fire, which is like literally like not far down this road, not even half a mile, I would say. And but yeah, look at this damage. It's just pretty crazy. Let me write down a little bit. See if we could catch some more of this fire. Pretty amazing how much damage it did. Oh, look at the for sale sign. Huh. Coincidence? Maybe. Damn, this looks like a forest, like in a crazy like movie. Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. I forgot to bring my screw because I have the chest strap for the camera, but I forgot to bring it, so kind of stuck holding it. Hopefully, you know, these cameras do pretty good stabilizing the film, so I'm hoping you guys are not getting vibrated to death in there. A lot of damage, guys. A lot of damage. Looks like a tree branch fell here. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, they say sometimes this is good for the glades. That's what they say. It replenishes everything. So often this is kind of like a good thing, but now we gotta know. We're always gonna wonder whether this was a man-made fire or a natural thing, like a thunderstorm, lightning, something that sparked this up, you know. But I'm gonna keep riding a little bit so we can catch the marsh. There's like a little marsh area right after here, so let's go see that. Check this out, guys. The tree line finishes, and you get into this little marshy area, which is so surprising that this stuff burned. It's amazing. You know, it's wet land, it's muddy under there. So look at this, completely scorched. Absolutely amazing. You got 157th Ave coming up, so you can see how close these fires got to the city. You got Cemex, the concrete factory right back there. Amazing, man. Random tree just completely scorched. Something died around here. Something died around here because this smells bad. Oh yeah, he knows what's up. These guys are pretty big. It's like one of the biggest birds that we have down here. They're amazing. Check down this way, we can see something else. Look at this landscape, guys. Looks like an alien world. Look at that frog. It's amazing. And on the other side, it's like plush green, marshy land. Oh wow, there's a canal back there. That's crazy. Dang. We should go fishing back there. That shit's probably loaded. Oh shit. Alright guys, we made it back to the truck. It was getting extremely hot. I was getting a little heat exhaustion out there. My water was getting warm. I'm gonna have to start freezing them. But I like that little loop. I think I'm gonna start doing that, kind of doing some filming around that little loop there. It was really nice, mountain biking, getting some exercises and stuff like that. I hope you guys liked the video. You know, we covered a couple areas of the fire, and yeah, just kind of showing you kind of the stuff we gotta deal with here in South Florida. It's extremely hot. We're over 100 degrees, so I had to call it. I don't want to pass out there. I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna end this video with some drone footage. I'm gonna fly the drone over the area so you can see how much got burned and all that. So all right guys, see ya.